Our adventure can now begin. This is our one-way trip to the Med. Here, it's where it starts, in the North Sea. We're ready for our first night sailing. It's 3:30. I woke up with nausea. Can we jibe yet?
No.
Very beautiful.
Ciao, nice to meet you. We are Elisa and Nicola, two Italians living in the UK, but now actually leaving the UK, sailing with our 47 years old boat Isidora towards the Med, and from there wherever the wind takes us. Our one-way trip to the Med starts here in the North Sea. Come with us as we start sailing west to Brighton, experiencing our first night sailing. After 1 year, it's time to leave Titchmarsh Marina, the place where we started sailing. But before going, we took our last walk here. My favorite thing in this marina are these benches, named after people who live their happiest memories here, like Alan. So, thinking about Alan and the life he spent sailing these waters, we're getting ready to begin our own journey towards new horizons, lands and seas we've never seen before, saying goodbye to the place we called home for an entire year.
Okay. Woohoo! Bye! Enjoy the sun! Brighton! Brighton!
Brighton. Enjoy.
Thank you! We're leaving our home marina. We've been here for 1 year. This is where we started to learn how to sail. All our first times were made here.
Some of our first times here.
Ciao. Ready to tack?
Yes.
Alright.
It's when you say Leo, after it.
Yeah. Leo!
Captain.
Ease that jib.
Huh? Okay, chilo. Our dumb boy broke down.
But now, back to our adventure.
We have 2 days journey to Brighton, and we're gonna do our first night sail. It's exciting. At the moment there's not much wind, but it's supposed to pick up in the afternoon.
Motoring. Unfortunately. Waiting for the wind. In the middle of the Thames estuary.
Let's have some lunch. That's for me.
The weather is stunning today, but there is absolutely no wind. It's April, so the weather is still not settled, but also sailing west in the English Channel isn't always easy, as the tidal streams runs east most of the time, and the predominant wind is from the west. We've learned the hard way that the English Channel is not to be underestimated, and can be a challenging sea to sail, as we've experienced last year. So this time we played it safe.
Starting to get a little bit chilly. It's still 6 p.m. So I think we should have sun until 8:30 today. We are near Ramsgate.
The sunset in such calm waters was beautiful. We have never seen the North Sea in such conditions before. But as the lights fade, the tension for our first night at sea arises.
We're ready for our first night sailing.
Not motoring really for now.
How do you feel?
It's pretty chilly.
It's cold. Maybe I think 6-7 degrees. We are almost at Dover.
Yeah, by the time we get to Dover, in theory, the wind should pick up a little bit. It will be a very long night, yes. But we are ready, are we?
We are ready.
Yeah, we are leaving the North Sea, maybe forever. Who knows? Because technically the North Sea ends at the Strait of Dover, and we are almost at the Strait of Dover now. So yeah, we need to say goodbye to the North Sea. I want to pass Dover with 2 people, so we can look out for traffic. After Dover, we're gonna start doing night shift.
We can tell Dover is approaching because there are a lot of ferries going in and out constantly. It's getting dark.
That's what I probably did.
Getting really dark. So beautiful.
We are approaching Dover, the busiest ferry port in Europe. We hope to arrive here with daylight, but since it's dark, we need to be extra careful.
We are at Dover, in the middle of 2 ferries. 2 ferries.
They're very close. They are very close. It's night. Oh,
We
it's
are
so-
in the
so
middle.
scary.
One, and the other one is coming. It's 3:30. I've just woke up. The hardest bit has been to sleep. There are lots of noises. So I woke up with nausea. But it's almost my shift. I'm drinking some coffee. It's also very, very cold now. We have now the main out and the jib out. The wind picked up a little bit. Maybe it's 6-7 knots. So we're about to do a jibe and then we'll see. There's light again. Yay! So many. It's 5 a.m. Captain is sleeping. I'm in charge. And it's beautiful out here. Very beautiful. Wow, it's so bright now. Anytime I'll go back to sleep, there was like a fisherman or someone passing very close to us and has left in the Liveaboard, which I think was really a mistake because I woke up and I was about to throw up. I had some seasickness, I think, with darkness. It's more intense.
Whilst the
Good
captain...
morning. Did you have a nice sleep?
Yeah, surprisingly well, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, it was quite relaxing, being tossed by the waves.
I saw dolphins.
Yeah, you're lucky. I didn't. Yeah, we might see them later again. I see.
Breakfast?
I would like a cheese and egg sandwich.
At
Yes,
6
please.
a.m. What time is it?
Well, it's the perfect time for that. I think it's 6:45.
Of course, Captain. I'll be back.
Thank you. Very much. We are now on a broad bridge. We have passed Dungeness a couple of hours ago. We are off past Hastings at the moment, and we are heading to a beachy head. Unfortunately, yeah, we don't want to sail exactly downwind, so we are on a broad reach at the moment, doing roughly 4 knots, but we are against the tide. We're doing 4.4 knots, but we are against the tide. Luckily it's a neap tide, so not very strong, but in an hour or so the tide should change and it should be more favorable. How was your first night sailing?
It was very cold. No wind. Almost no wind, so yes, it was good.
Were you scared?
When you weren't with me, yes, a little bit. But because it was calm, even if I was making mistakes,
It was very calm.
The sea was forgivable. But it was very cold for me.
I think the sea was forgiving.
The sea was very forgiving, but very cold. I had so many layers and still I was very cold. You?
No, I was fine. From the cold point of view, it was very, very nice when I was when I was doing my shift, because we had a little bit more wind and we were making quite good progress. It was, but the sea was still calm and it was really, really nice.
It was funny during my shifts that our reference point was still in the same spot where Nicola left it 2 hours ago.
We were like doing 1.5 knots, maybe 2 sometimes, but mainly 1.5 knots.
I was a little bit seasick. I am as well now. Can we jibe yet?
Not yet. Not yet. Needs to say 290, saying it's 280, so 285, so another 5 degrees. Otherwise, we'll head into Seven Sisters.
Nice.
Well, not really.
22 nautical miles left.
Bit tired, but we are making some good progress now. We are 120 nautical miles closer to the main market.
Wow! The Seven Sisters. Very beautiful.
While the fatigue starts to kick in, we sail towards Brighton, with the most stunning view over the Seven Sisters, which wins, in my opinion, the title of the most scenic place in the whole UK. I know that's a big statement, so feel free to challenge me in the comments.
2 nautical miles before arriving at Brighton.
Finally, after almost 30 hours. Let's see Liveaboard. How about?
We have arrived.
Yoo-hoo!
Perfect approach from the captain. How much is gonna be?
A lot, probably.
Slept like a baby.
It was very, very nice. We slept like 9 hours.
Uh-oh. We forgot we left it this way yesterday. Hello, we made it to Brighton. I know for most of the people this is just normal, just going and doing night sailing into different places, but for us it was just the first time doing it. This unlocks a very new level on our sailing adventure, because now that we've done it once, we're looking forward to do it again and again and again. It's just really exciting.
I'm very happy that we managed to do our first overnight sail. It was very, very nice, and it's a new thing for us, and it's something that we will have to be comfortable with. We've got big plans ahead. France will need to cross Biscay, and we've never done a proper overnight passage so far, so we wanted to test ourselves.
I felt like the most scary part will be to be alone, having to sail the boat. But that was really nice actually, because I think once you are at the helm and you know how to move the boat based on the wind, and you keep seeing how the wind changes as well, so I felt that was not too bad, also because the weather was calm. I didn't expect the hardest part to be the hours where my duty was to sleep. I tried to force myself to sleep in those 2 hours and I couldn't.
The night shift went okay. I was able to sleep quite well actually.
It was really, really cold to stay outside all the time. I think we need to buy something that insulates more. I expected to be much more scary. It was actually beautiful. We had the light from the moon, which was amazing. The sky was full of stars and it was really nice. It wasn't scary at all. It was really, really nice. I saw dolphins at dawn during my shift, and it was really, really special. It was really beautiful. It was a success. It was beautiful, beautiful sailing. Unfortunately, we didn't have much wind at the beginning.
Ideally, we would have sailed the whole way to Brighton. The problem is there wasn't enough wind. Yeah, that's the main regret. But that has come with a very calm sea state, which was good for everyone.
Well, thank you and those one for being with us during this adventure. In the next video, you're gonna meet Isidora because we are gonna give you a boat tour. So don't miss that, and we'll see you in the next one. Ciao!